In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up the media library on WordPress in this simple WordPress tutorial tailored for beginners. Backing up your media library is essential to ensure that all your precious content is safe and secure, should anything unexpected happen to your website. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you've already logged in so you can get started right away. Once you're on the dashboard, focus your attention on the left-hand side menu. You'll see an option called Plugins. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on Plugins, you'll be taken to a page where you can manage the plugins on your WordPress site. Look for the Add New button and click on that to proceed. This is where we'll find the plugin we need for backing up our media library. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, head to the search box at the top right corner of your screen. Type in Media Library and hit Enter. You'll be presented with several options, but the one we are looking for is particularly focused on exporting or backing up your media library. When you find the plugin that suits our purpose, click on the Install Now button next to it. This will begin the installation process. After a few moments, once the plugin is successfully installed, you'll be able to see an Activate button. Click on Activate to start using the plugin. With the plugin installed and active, the next step is to head over to the Media section on your WordPress dashboard again, specifically looking for the new options that have appeared thanks to our recently installed plugin. Click on Media, and this should take you to a new page. Here, you will see an Export option. Click on this, and you'll be given an option to download your media library. Look for the button that allows you to download a zipped file of your media. This is often labeled as Download Zip. Clicking on Download Zip will save all your media files into a single compressed file, conveniently packaged and ready to be stored safely on your computer. Make sure you choose a secure location on your computer to store this important backup, perhaps on an external hard drive or a cloud storage solution for added security. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your media library on WordPress. Keeping regular backups of your site not only saves you from potential data loss, but also offers you peace of mind in operating your WordPress site. Remember to perform these backups periodically, especially after significant updates or changes to your site. Thank you for following along with this tutorial today. I hope you found this guide helpful in safeguarding your online content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep your content secure.